Global markets shaken again. IMF slashes growth forecasts, Pakistan's trade deficit spikes, and the US drops massive tariffs on Southeast Asia. What's really happening in the global economy today? Let's break it down. Welcome back to V4 World, your go-to source for global business and economic updates. Let's kick off with the biggest headline of the day. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has lowered the global growth forecast for 2025 from 3% to 2.8%, citing rising uncertainty, trade tensions, and structural imbalances. The message is clear. It's time for countries to tighten their fiscal belts and build buffers against potential shocks. The IMF also emphasized the need for credible medium-term fiscal consolidation and deep structural reforms in labor, product, and financial markets. Now turning to Pakistan, where the trade deficit with neighboring countries has ballooned by 34.37%, reaching $8.467 billion in the first 9 months of FY25, despite a surge in exports to Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Increased imports from China, India, and Bangladesh have widened the gap. Most notably, over 700,000 tons of sugar were exported to Afghanistan, and barter trade with Iran is picking up amid rampant smuggling of Iranian petroleum and LPG through Baluchistan's porous borders. On the Pakistan Stock Exchange, it was a tug-of-war between bulls and bears. Despite some selling pressure, strong financial results helped the index close in the green. The market sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, especially amid expectations of a policy rate cut. In international news, tensions between the US and China have escalated. The US announced a staggering 3,521% tariff on solar panels imported from Southeast Asia, targeting Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. This move is seen as a direct challenge to China's alleged subsidies and dumping practices. Meanwhile, the European Union fined tech giants Apple, €500 million, and Meta, €200 million, for violating the Digital Markets Act. These fines may further strain EU-US relations, especially with Trump pushing for new tariffs on European goods. In response, China has expressed willingness to resume trade talks with the US. This comes after Trump hinted that tariffs might be reduced if a deal is reached. With tit-for-tat tariffs soaring as high as 125%, all eyes are on how this trade conflict unfolds in the coming weeks. The global economy is at a turning point, and decisions made in the next few months could shape trade, inflation, and markets for years to come. If you found today's update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a critical business and finance update. Let us know in the comments. How do you think these global developments will impact Pakistan's economy and your investments? This content is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial or investment advice. Always consult with a professional before making financial decisions.